eBay. Soldiers getting cars, more disaster on D-Day. Haters better cover up they jaw like freeway, cause every hit record's been instant like replays. Hold the line, I got your mama on three-way.
What is up, everybody? Today is going to be an absolutely great day. Me and the boys, Logan and Braden, we're headed out to some private land that we're going to rip at all day with the trucks. We got tons of spots there to rip on. So much good snow, deep snow, drifts, and everything like that. And with my truck, I haven't gotten stuck in like about a year with it, because all through the summer, I never got stuck in any of the mud I went through, anything like that. So I haven't been stuck in a long time, but I'm definitely getting stuck today. So is everybody else. It's going to be a banger video, guys. So let's fucking do this. Do we get up to our ripping spot, and here's Braden just messing around, just being a goof.
Oh my f***ing ass on the door handle! Fuck!
Can you quit horsing around, buddy?
Come here so I can stab you.
Doggo! What's up? Hey, buddy. The dog's like... Holy f***, man! Woo! Oh my god! I think he's in a bit of a pickle. Alright, he's out now. That was some pretty deep snow.
Once again, gotta put the drive shaft on. For all you guys that always say, oh, it's a two-wheel converted to four-wheel, it's not, it's four-wheel, it came four-wheel.
His truck is not two-wheel drive. Yeah, that bitch is definitely overheating big time. Man, it's kind of like what happened to mine in that one video. Uh-oh, uh-oh, she's overheating.
She's pissed everywhere.
Holy fuck, bro. Well, buddy just accidentally hit Braden with the quad, and he's got a little bit of dent in the door now.
That's all I really want to do. When we're done later, we'll hammer this out.
Shit. See what happens here. Pretty hung up on the back right now. Just a tad bit caught in the cabbage. An old GMC with a rod knock.
Go to this way.
Round number 2.
Yeah!
It was much better, bro. It's a good fucking idea. Okay, baby. she's just fucking caked. Holy, look at that shit. Holy fuck. Yeah, I got snow under here for days. Look at that.
Don't let off. That almost sounded like something was ready to backfire.
Not sounding too healthy today.
Okay, so we're all in Mitchell's truck now.
We're one big happy family in the front seat.
Betty is
Down. She's down. The 4x4 wouldn't engage.
diff is fucked at the front, probably. Oh, we're stuck. We're stuck. Abort mission. What was the experience like watching my truck get creamed by a quad?
Well, because I was just sitting there like this.
He put his arm up like this and, hey, would you drive properly?
We're trying to vlog.
Yeah.
Go this.
I'm gonna try this one.
What's Logan doing?
Still adding. Completely drained her of all her guts and fluid.
He boiled the fuck out of that coolant. It is new, buddy.
Better than new.
Did you even get smoke with the quad today? Probably not. Fucking love these chips, man.
Oh, my hand's dirty. Ooh, look at that. Come here. Let me touch your face. Let me touch your face. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Bastard!
How to lose your best friend. God, what the fuck? Nothing. Totally just realized that as I'm editing this video, I didn't film anything after that last clip. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video of us ripping around. I know it was me messing around with my truck most of the time. Unfortunately, the GM that you guys saw in the video, he had kind of like an engine knock going on before, and his truck completely shit the bed after he pulled me out. So his truck was not moving anywhere. Braden's 4x4 would not engage. The front drive shaft was in and everything, and it said 4-wheel drive on his dash, but still it would not actually engage. So he's got to figure that out. We have some ideas of what it could be. So there's that. And then Logan's truck was overheating and he's got to get a new rad now. So luckily for once, I actually walked away with no damage to my truck. Just a shit ton of snow kicked up and everywhere. A little bit of speed wobble from that. But I definitely had fun out there ripping. Shout out to Dustin for letting us come and rip on his land. It's a good little spot, and he said it's pretty crazy in the spring. So chances are we'll go check it out in the spring too, guys. So the day didn't quite go as planned, but we still managed to get some good clips and good drift banging in. I got stuck with my truck like I said at the beginning of the video I would. So if you guys enjoyed this video at all, make sure you leave a like down below. Hit subscribe for all the future ripping videos, all the future truck videos, all the future endeavors and shenanigans to come. I hope everybody has a great rest of the week. Make sure you guys keep your eyes peeled for that Sunday's video. You guys already know Thursday and Sundays every week, 2 videos a week. I'm bumping it up to 3 videos a week right away. I want to pursue this YouTube game as best as I can. Some people ask me why I don't upload every day and stuff, and honestly, the quality of my videos has to be up to par. I have a really high standard for myself, and I'm really big on the quality over quantity when it comes to uploading my videos. Eventually I hope to be uploading every day or almost every day. That'll be a process for me, but I am working towards it. So once again, guys, I hope everybody enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys all on Sunday.